Hello friends, now I am going to discuss about identification, extraction and analysis of glycoside and resins. Glycoside includes study of glycyrrhetinic acid and rutin. So we will say about glycyrrhetinic acid. Biological source, it is obtained from the roots and subterranean stems of Glycyrrhiza glabra belonging to family Leguminosae. Chemical constituents. A major constituent is sweet triterpenic saponin glycoside, that is glycyrrhizin. Glycyrrhizin is a potassium and calcium salt of glycyrrhizinic acid. Glycyrrhizinic acid is also known as glycyrrhetinic acid. Glycyrrhetinic acid is a pentacyclic triterpenoid glycone. It is used as an anti-ulcer. Isolation. The leucorize or glycyrrhiza coarse powder is extracted with chloroform, filter it and discard the filtrate. Extract the mark with 0.5 molar sulfuric acid for a few hours. Filter and extract the filtrate with 3 portions of chloroform. Separate and combine the chloroform layers. Distill off the chloroform extract to yield a dry residue of glycyrrhetinic acid. White crystalline powder, insoluble in water but soluble in chloroform, benzene and ether. Identification and analysis. Lieberman test or Lieberman-Bucher test or reaction, which are used for the identification of triterpenoid or pentacyclic triterpenoidal constituents or compounds, that is glycyrrhetinic acid. Thin layer chromatography is used for analysis purpose. Sample preparation. Dissolve 1 mg of glycyrrhetinic acid in 1 ml of methanol. Chloroform proportion is 1:1. Stationary phase. Silica gel G. Detecting agent 1% vanillin H2SO4 is used as a detecting agent or coloring agent and heat for 10 minutes at 110 degrees Celsius, that is for activation purpose. Mobile phase. Toluene, ethyl acetate, glycyl acetic acid. Proportion is 12.5 as 7.5 as 0.5. Reference drug glycyrrhetinic acid. Reference drug or standard, that is glycyrrhetinic acid. RF value purplish 0.41. So that is the standard RF value for glycyrrhetinic acid. Second crude drug that contains glycoside. So there are around 200 types of quercetin, flavonide glycosides. Among this is the rutin is the one of the most important type. It is chemically quercetin 3 rutinoside. On hydrolysis, it yields the glycone, quercetin and the sugar, glucose and rhamnose. It is used as a vitamin P or capillary fragility factor. There are different sources of rutin such as Phagophyrum esculentum belonging to family Polygonaceae, rhubarb, Rheham imodi, again Polygonaceae family, tobacco, Nicotiana tabacum, family Solanaceae, ruta, that obtained from ruta graveolens, Rutaceae family, tea, Thiacinensis, family Thiaceae, eucalyptus macroenza belonging to family Myrtaceae. So these are different sources of rutin. Isolation. Source Eucalyptus macroenza or Myrtaceae family. Boil the powder drug with boiling water, filter it and collect the filtrate. Cool for the precipitation of the rutin. Recrystallize it from boiling water, dry the product. Greenish yellow crystalline powder you will get. Identification and analysis. Chemical test, that is Shinoda test. Shinoda test is specifically used for the identification of flavonoids, or here used for the identification of routine. Thin layer chromatography is used for analysis purpose, in which first sample preparation, dissolve about 1 mg of routine in 1 ml of methanol, stationary phase silica gel G, mobile phase 10% aqueous sodium chloride solution, that use standard drug routine, RF value yellow spot 0.43. This is about the details of TLC method. Another class for identification, analysis and extraction of resins, in which two examples are included. First, podophylotoxin and curcumin. Podophylotoxin. Podophylotoxin is the lactone resin present in the root and rhizome of Podophyllum hexanthum. Podophyllum hexanthum, this is Indian variety, while Podophyllum peltatum is an American variety. Family Berberidaceae. It is used as anti-proliferative agent or anti-cancer agent. Extraction. Take the weighed quantity of rhizomes or roots of Podophyllum immodi or Podophyllum hexanthum or Podophyllum peltatum. Any species, means the roots and the rhizome powder of any species we can use, and extract it with methanol. Filter it and evaporate to get semi-solid mass. Dissolve the semi-solid mass into acidic water. Then precipitate PPT is formed, which should be allowed for at least for 2 hours. Filter it and wash filtrate with cold water. Collect the residue, wash with acidified water and dry to obtain dark brown amorphous powder. Extract the residue with hot alcohol, filter it and evaporate to dryness. Recrystallize the residue in benzene to yield podophylotoxin. Identification and analysis. Chemical test. Treat podophylotoxin with 50% H2SO4. It will show violet blue color. Thin layer chromatography is used for analysis purpose. First, sample preparation. Dissolve 1 mg podophylotoxin in 1 ml of ethanol. Stationary phase silica gel G. Mobile phase chloroform methanol. Proportion 90:10 is used for about 6 cm. Means only glycosides are separated, but a glycone like podophylotoxin remains in the region of the front. The same plate is again eluted with more weakly polar solvent. Means two-dimensional method we can use for the identification of podophylotoxin. Chloroform acetone for second step, 65 as 35 is the proportion of chloroform and acetone, and then run the same plate here up to 12 centimeters in the same position, or we may change the direction. Okay, standard drug podophylotoxin detection. Spray with methanol sulfuric acid and heat at 110 degrees Celsius for 5 to 10 minutes. RF value yellow spot 0.65. Then last example of this class or this chapter and class of resin, curcumin. Curcumin or curcuminoids are the diaryl hypnoid compounds obtained from the dried rhizomes of turmeric, Curcuma longa, belonging to family Zingiberaceae. Curcumin is the major coloring principle. It is a mixture of curcumin, monodesmethoxycurcumin and bis-dismethoxycurcumin. It is an orange-yellow crystalline powder. It is insoluble in water and ether, but soluble in alcohol. It is used as wound healing, anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic and antimicrobial activities. It is used in inflammation, used as antiseptic and used against peptic ulcer. Extraction and isolation. Curcumin can be obtained by different methods. Method first, turmeric method is extracted with turmeric powder is extracted with alcohol in Soxhlet extractor. Then alcoholic extract is concentrated under reduced pressure and dried. Method second, in which turmeric powder is extracted first with hexane and then followed by acetone. The acetone extract is concentrated and dried to yield curcumin. It is recrystallized from hot ethanol to yield orange red needles. Identification and analysis. TLC method. So, sample preparation. Dissolve 1 mg of curcumin in 1 ml of methanol. Stationary phase silica gel G. Standard sample curcumin. Detecting agent observe under UV light at long wavelength means at 366 nanometer. Mobile phase chloroform, methanol, glacial acetic acid. Then 94 as 5 as 1. So that is the proportion of the solvent. For mobile phase RF value curcumin 0.79. So that is the standard RF value for curcumin. Thank you friends, all of you.